Hello student, today we will learn how to generate prime numbers from 1 to 50 by using a Java program. So we can move to Eclipse for doing this. So here let us start with the first project, and in this one we can create a class. So I'll move to this src folder. Here you can click right mouse button and then you can move to class. So once you have moved there, you can give class name as a prime number, prime numbers, and you can mark this please so that it will automatically appear there, public static void main. So finish it and see what you get. So here you can code now. So I'll start. What exactly I'll write here? First of all, we should know that 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. This is one. And second, what is the definition of prime number? A prime number, a prime number is a number which is self-divisible, which is self-divisible. So what does this mean actually? This means if you will divide it by the numbers, their remainder will not become 0. So when remainder is not 0, that means you will you can have a counter for that, and if and as many times it is getting divisible, you can increment your counter. So I'll start my program with a counter. So I'll write int count, and this is one variable, and I'll run two loops. This will this will be done by using a nested loop. So I'll use two loop, and for them I am taking two variables I and j. And now I'll run my for loop for I equal to 1 or 2. It will be from 2 because 1 is not a prime number. So I'll move till 50, and this loop will move till 50, and then I'll do the increment. Then I can start curly brackets here, because this will become a group statement. Then here I'll run another loop in nested loop, and this loop will be dividing this number. The inner loop will be dividing this number. This number means I loop. So I'll start with I equal to 2, j equal to 2, and j will also be less than equal to 50. Although instead of 50 you can just put here I by 2, and even if you divide that number just by its a half, it will be able to give you that prime number. But anyhow, if you want to put it like this, I'll do it this way. Otherwise you can put here I by 2, even that will also run. Please keep in mind. Okay, but for simplicity I am just putting it up till same. So now here you can, once the inner loop, outer loop has been done, after this I'll calculate remainder. So I divided by j, it will become 0. If it is 0, your counter should change. Your counter will get incremented. Your counter will get incremented. But this counter need to be set 0 in the beginning. Before coming in, this counter should be 0. So now counter has been set 0, and then it will be it will be checked out. Here we will check it. If count equal to 1 only, one time divisible. If one time divisible, then I will print the I'll print I, because I is a number to be checked whether that is a prime number or not. So I'll print it, and once this has been done, my program will get over, and I'll close this bracket. This is for this, and this is for that one. I think one bracket has been placed extra. Remove this. So let us see it again please. Here the loop is will class name is prime numbers. This is one. Second, the loop is starting from your inside, I mean main function is to start your program. Then when we are coming down here, we are just, this is for information, 0 and are not prime numbers, so we should run a loop from 2. And definition of prime number is, a prime number is a number which is self divisible, means it will be divided by itself only. So when it is self divisible, that means when you are running this, when you are running a loop from 2 to 50, means the first 2 will move here and it will move inside. When j will divide this 2, it should be divisible by 2 only. If it is divisible by 2 only, that means it is a prime number. And if it is divisible by more numbers, then it will not be, please, as per this definition. So we are checking out for 2, 3, 4, all these numbers are being checked out, means are being divided by so many numbers. And if that is, those numbers are getting divided by that number, then it will become a if it's not getting divided, it will become a prime number. So here we are checking out if count is equal to 1 only, means only one time divisible. So if only one time divisible, that means it is a prime number. Otherwise it will not be a prime number. So just run this program and see the output. Save it, Control S, and then just run it. You can run it from here as well. See here, the output has come here. Seeing it has come. If you want, if you want to see it in a single line, you can put it like this as well. Don't put print line, rather put something, use print only, and just run it. See the output. Here it is, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. All these are prime numbers between 1 to 50. So I hope it would be clear to everyone. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.